you take my all? I keep fighting, but I surrender. I said, won't you take my all? I keep making the same mistakes, Lord, I can't.
Listen, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is Meal Prep Sunday. So today we are making a new recipe Sandra found called honey garlic chicken thighs. So we're gonna have that with some mashed sweet potato and some sliced Irish potatoes, kind of like scallops like without the cheese, and then some broccoli maybe on the side. Yeah. So right now I'm just seasoning the chicken. I use the adobo all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of meat tenderizer. This is black pepper. This is a little bit of some sea salt, and then I added some cayenne pepper to it. So I'm just gonna season it with that, and then I'll air fry it for I don't know how long we're gonna air fry it for. Maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. It's not gonna be all the way done. We just want it to be nice and crispy before we put it in the oven to done completely, and then add the sauce to it. So yeah. So here's the chicken, guys. Let me get a spoon. I just added it to one side, so I need to do the other side. We'll do a little bit on the other side, and then we'll be good. I'm gonna chop up maybe some onions once it gets into the oven, just to add a little bit more flavor, and then I think we'll be good. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to our honey garlic sauce. So what you'll need is some type of honey, some ketchup, soy sauce. We have soy sauce with less sodium. You can get whatever soy sauce you prefer. We have minced garlic. You can get you can use fresh garlic, and the recipe also recommends that you use fresh garlic, but that's just what we have, so that's what we're using. And then you'll need a tablespoon measuring cup and a 1/4 measuring cup. I'm going to be doubling the recipe so that we have enough sauce, but you'll need 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and then 3 large garlic cloves. So I'm going to be, estimating that since we already have it chopped up for us. And then I have my bowl here. So I'm going to prop you guys here so you guys can hopefully see what I'm doing. 1 second.
Okay, so I have 2 potatoes here. We might end up doing 2 or 3. I'm gonna see how much these come out to since they're so big. And basically what we're gonna do is we're going to lay them down on this baking sheet. This baking sheet has avocado oil on it already. So I'm just going to show you guys me slicing these up. We're gonna season them with like some garlic seasoning, and that will be that. So I'm just slicing them kind of like how you would slice them for scallops. Okay, so I have my potatoes all chopped up. I ended up double chopping them. 2 is more than enough. We do have sweet potatoes that we're doing for like some of our meals, and then we're gonna have these for some of our other meals. Kind of switch it up. So I'm gonna first add some avocado oil to the potatoes. This is just going to allow it to cook better. And allow the seasoning to kind of stick to it a little bit better. Just add that. And then I have my seasonings. I have some seasoned salt. Gotta use my other hand. Garlic salt. Now I'm just basically eyeballing it. Some black pepper. And then some garlic powder. Okay, so these are our sweet potatoes. Tamara's mashed them up. She's adding some butter. Yeah.
It says the recipe is like butter and this. I don't know if you can add like black pepper. I'm gonna add 1 more scoop of butter.
Kind of like mashed potatoes. Fogging up. We're also going to add some brown sugar. Our brown sugar got so hard because we haven't been using it. About like a teaspoon or so. Are you going to add more? I'm going to give, you know, that spice. Oh, cinnamon. Or no? A little bit of cinnamon.
guys, we weren't able to show you guys everything, but here is the final product. We were able to get 6 meal prep bowls each for all of us. So we have, I think it's 3 with mashed potato. Yeah, so 3 with mashed potato, with sweet mashed potatoes, and then the scallops. So yeah, Sandra was gonna eat some tonight, but decided not to because the pan's clean. Sandra's still looking at clean.
Don't show it on me.
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if you guys want us to be adding like the recipes of, or like the ingredients of what we do, or the stuff that we used for it. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah. Ask me what's the hope in this world, I say it's heaven. Yeah. And on my worst days, I just keep my mind on heaven. Yeah. Our Father, who art in heaven.